Remember your former leaders who spoke God's message to you. Think back on how they lived and died and imitate their faith.
Hi guys, we're going to do a fan style Gele tutorial for today. The last time we learned the normal Gele pleats, and now we're going to be learning fan style Gele tutorial. I hope you enjoy. Keep watching. Okay, so for the fan style Gele, like I said from the other video, we're going to fold our Gele into 1/10 of the Gele. So I'm going to tell my model to hold, please hold it, the Gele, and after doing that, I'm just going to fold this back. I'm going to tell you the reason why I'm folding it, but for now, I'm going to fold that, and then I'll tell her to leave it, and then yeah.
Making pleats.
So I'm just making pleats now. We made our top pleats. 4 and 5. So you count it here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5.
Cecile, what's your name? Sorry. What's your name?
So after doing that, we'll bring this one to the top, lay it to the back, and then start counting our pleats. Two. Whatever you do, make sure your pleats are equal. 3. Okay, so I'm going to make another plate here. Oh, I'm not going to another plate here. So basically, what we're trying to create now is the fan pleats.
So how are you doing it now? You telling them?
So what I'm doing is, in normal Gele, instead of just putting the pleats from here to this place, I'm just going to do it halfway so that I can easily lay the fan to stay. So I keep stopping here. You see? Keep stopping here. So I'm going to come here again, count, and hold down. The other side. Hold it down. Whatever you do, don't make more plates in between. Just try as much as possible to
Yup.
So you have to be very careful so that you don't lose the plate you made. So coming here now, you need to make the same plate you made at the other side.
Looking good.
This style is not very, very tasteful. Hold it down. Now, the folding we did here, this one, the reason why I folded it is because I want it to be very easy for me to finish. So I'm just going to fold down this part anyhow you would like to fold it. And tie it down, hold it tight. Leave it. So if you have a safety pin, you can as well hold it down and back. But make sure they are laying on each other because they're like each other's companion. Once one is not helping the other, everything just, you might just lose your plates. And I'm not pushing it like that. Raise it up if you so please. Put it down. Hold your head up. Hold it.
Awowa.